Funness gang, it's your girl Shay here, and I'm back with another video. And this video is just a short clip of me doing an unboxing. Right now I am putting together my table, my manicure station that I got from Etsy. So my Melody Susie e-file died in the middle of a service on me. I was so embarrassed. So what I did was I went and purchased a Valentino e-file. Oh my goodness, it just came in the mail, so you know I had to bust down. But I couldn't bust down without, recording so y'all can see how it is. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this box, and I want you guys to share the first experiences with me with this e-file. Now, I did order it offline. The e-file was on sale, actually. They took some money off, so I ended up paying like $417 instead of the $450 that you'll see other people on YouTube paying. And I really appreciate those coins that I saved. So I am using, okay, first of all, don't pay attention to my nails, y'all. I told y'all my e-file broke, so I could not do anything until this e-file came in. But right now I'm using my Cuisine Art Cuisine Art, one of my knives from the knife set. They're so colorful and I love them. So yeah, let's go ahead and watch so you guys can see how this thing looks on the inside. Oh my god.